Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade Volatility 75 Index. On the screen I have Volatility 75 Index 1 minute time frame, and I have 5 windows. I have the main window. This is the main window. I have indicator window 1. This is my indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. This is my indicator window 2. I have indicator window 3. This is indicator window 3. And I have indicator window 4. This is indicator window 4. Now, how does the strategy works? On the main window, of course this is my main window, when the red and the blue lines, when they cross down on the green, black and purple lines, when they cross down it, you have your sell. Okay, like what we have here, sell. But when they cross up, you have a buy, like what you have around here, a buy. Okay, when they cross down, like you have a cross down here, you have your sell. When they cross up, let's look for where we have a cross up. Okay, like we have a cross up here. Yeah, we do have a cross up here. All right, that's your buy, sell, buy. Okay, this is a buy. All right, and this is sell, this is a buy. This is a sell. The cross down of the red and the blue lines crosses down on the green, purple and black lines. Okay, like you have a cross down here. Okay, all right, so that's the way the main window works. Let's look at the settings. For the main window, we have fractals, we have moving average, 40 period, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, color is green. We have another moving average, period is 40, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, and the color is black. Okay, the third moving average, we have 38 period, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, and the color is purple. Then we have 10 period, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, and the color is blue. Then on the main chart, the final moving average is 2 period, shift is 0, method is exponential this time around, apply to close, and the color is red. So like I said, for like we have a cross up here, supposed to be a buy, the red and the blue just crossed up here. If I expand it, yeah, the red and the blue just crossed up here, so you can place a buy position. All right, okay, and you have it crossing down around here. Okay, this particular shape is for illustration. Let me remove it. Okay, and you have it crossing down around here, like a breakdown, where you have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's like a breakdown for price to sell. Okay, but right now we're having like a buy here. Okay, so that's basically how it was like you have a buy here, you have like a small sell around here. Okay, you have like a buy here, you have like a sell here, you have a buy here. Okay, you have like a sell, you have a sell somewhere around here. All right, you have a buy here. Okay, okay, now you have your sell where the red and the blue line cross down on the three lines. Okay, you have a cross up here to buy. Okay, you have a cross down here to sell. You have a cross up here that you can buy. You have a crossing down here, you can place a sell trade. Okay, your cross up here, you can buy. So that's basically all about indicator and all about the main window. Okay, don't forget, if you look at the settings again for the main window, fractals is for point of identifying the point of rejection, for knowing your support or resistance zone or area. Then we have 5 moving averages on the main chart. We have 40 period, simple, apply to close, green, shift is 0. We have 42 period, shift is 0, simple, apply to close, black. And then we have 38 period, simple, apply to close, shift is 0, purple. These 3 lines, talking about the purple, the black, and the green, these are the lines for the crossover. I'm talking about this line where you have the crossover of the blue and the red line above or below it to determine buy or sell signal. That's the 38, 42, and 40 lines. We have the 40, 42, and 38 lines. So the cross above of these lines will tell us to buy. The cross below will tell us to sell. Now the red and the blue line, let's look at and take a look. This is the blue line, 10 period, simple, buy to close, color is blue. And finally the red line, 2 period, method is exponential, apply to close. Okay, let's go to indicator window 1. Indicator window 1, when the let me expand it. When the red and the black line cross down the blue and the purple line, like we have around here, you have your like a more like a bearish trend development. Okay, where we cross up, bullish trend, change of trend. This is for your change of trend, bullish trend development. Okay, let's go back. Bearish trend development. Look to sell, it's bullish. Look to buy. Okay, let's still go back into history. Like there's a cross here for bearish trend. Look for selling opportunities. So that's basically that about the crossing. But for the signal, when the red line, like you have a red line here, when the red line crosses above the black line, it's a buy signal. Okay, and when the red line crosses down, that's a sell signal. Okay, let's look for where it crosses up to have a buy signal. Okay, there's a cross up here, but it failed. Like a fake out. Okay, failed there. Okay, you have a cross up here for you to buy. And when you even look at what's happening on the main chart, you can see price bought. Okay, buy. All right. As a result of the crossing here, price also went up. So if you go back into history, where you have the sell, okay, you can see what happened on the main chart. There is steep fall. Okay, steep fall. Now, if you notice, the buy and sell are more important above the 80 stochastic level. For the sell, if the crossing happens above the 80 stochastic level, it's going to be much more important. And if the buy happens below the 20, let's look at the buy here. This buy, okay, around the 20. But if it happens below the 20, it's much more better. Okay, like this happen around 20 or below 20. Okay, and price went up. You can see. Okay, let's look for more like this is sell. Okay, there's a buy. All right. Okay, like we have like a range around here. Okay, okay, like there's a sell here. Sell opportunity happening around here. So let's look at the settings. The stochastic oscillator, we have 1 1 1. Percentage K is K period is 1. Percentage D period is 1. Slowing is 1. Price field is low to high. Method is simple. Now the color of the main and signal star will match the background color of the chart. And the levels, we have 20 and 80. That's for the stochastic. We have 4 moving averages. The first one, 50 period is 50. Shift is -5. Method is linear weights. Apply to weighted close. Color is red. Now the second moving average, we have period is 10. Shift is -5. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. And the color is black. Okay, the third moving average, we have 250 period. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. And the color is blue. And the fourth one is 51 period. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. And the color is purple. So I already made the explanation. Okay, at the crossing below the 20 level, stochastic level, will give you, if the red crosses above the black, to give you buy signal. Above the 80 stochastic level, if the red crosses below the black, gives you sell signal. All right. Now, when the red and the black crosses above the purple and blue, you have a bullish trend, and when it crosses below, you have a bearish trend. Now let's look at the second indicator window, indicator window 2. Okay, we have ADX. Let's look at the settings. ADX period is 14. Now the star color is green. Now the plus D1 and plus D2 colors will match. The colors will match the background color of the chart. and the levels is 26, and the color, style color of the level is black. Now the essence of this indicator window is to identify when to place your trade. Are you expected to place your trade when price is ranging, or are you expected to place your trade when price is moving? Of course, you are supposed to buy when price is moving, and you're supposed to sell when price is moving. But when price is raging, you stay action and wait for breakout. Now this indicator will give us the breakout. I'm talking about indicator window 2, ADX. So when the green line crosses above the 26 level, that's your breakout. That's when you should buy or sell. But when the green line crosses below the 26 level, you stay action, because you have range. Like if you look at what happened here, we have a regular range happening around here. It's neither going up nor coming down, it's just ranging. So when you see the ADX line going below the 26 level, stay action and wait for it to come above for you to either buy or sell. But as it comes above here, okay, you check with other indicator windows, the signal, like this last signal you have is a sell, and you can see what price is doing there. Just a minute, let me rearrange. Just a minute. Okay, where was I? All right, we're here. Okay, so we can see what happened on breakout for you to place trade price, and you have a sell signal here. So a sell signal developed here where the blue and the red cross down on the 3 lines, and then you can place your sell trade. All right, so but when the green line dips below the 26 ADX level, you stay action. Like the whole of this place, stay action. And when it pops up, you can buy or sell. The last signal you have here is a sell, and it pops up, so you can enter your trade and sell. So when it stays below range, when it comes up, you buy or sell. All right, so ADX is not giving you a signal, it's just telling you when to place trade. All right, just telling you when to place trade and when to stay action. Okay, that's the function of the ADX. Don't forget, when it stays above the 26, you can place your trade. When it drops below, you can stay action until it pops above the 26 level. Now let's go to indicator window 3. Let's look at the settings. We have MACD. Fast EMA is 5, slow EMA is 18. MACD SMA is 5. Apply to close. The main style color is green. The signal style color is black. Then you have 0 level. Apart from MACD, we have just one moving average, and the moving average period 1. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight applied to previous indicators data, and the color is red. Let's look at the way it works. The way it works is when, like you have around here, when the red line crosses above the black line, that's your buy signal. All right, when the red line crosses below the black line, sell signal. But your confirmation of buy or sell signal is when both the red and the black line, and the two of them crosses below the 0 level. That's your confirmation to sell. And it crosses above the zero level, confirmation to buy. Okay, when it crosses below the zero level, confirmation to sell. Crosses above, confirmation to buy. Alright, so that's basically how it works. Cross below, confirmation to sell. Then cross above, confirmation to buy. Like you have a confirmation to buy around here. So basically that's the way you use the indicator window 3. Now let's go to indicator window 4. Let's look at the settings. Average true range, the period is 14. The style color is red. And we have envelopes, period is 7. Shift is 0. Deviation is 0.100. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data. The upper band and the lower band color is orange. Apart from envelopes, we have 2 moving averages. The first one, 13 period, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Color is orange. And lastly, we have 10 period, moving average. Shift is 0. Method is linear with apply to previous indicators data. And the color is black. So when the red moving average crosses down the black on all other moving averages, including the black like you have here, signals the beginning of a swing. When it crosses up, signals the end of a swing, where you have swing high, swing low. Okay, like here signals swing high, here signals swing low. If you look at the charts, like here, high, swing high, like here, swing low. So that's basically what indicator window 4 does, identifying the swing high and the swing low. Okay, like you have crossing here, telling us we have swing high and swing low. Now when you have swing high and swing low, you can now check with the main chart to know which is your impulse trend or your corrective trend. If you are able to know the swing point, you can now tell that the longer span is for your impulse and the shorter span of price move is for your correction. So but to know from one point to the other where the correction stops or starts, or where the impulse stops or starts, you can come to indicator window 4 to know your swing points. Excuse me. Okay, to know your swing points. Okay, like you have a crossing here telling us the swing points around here. Then you have the crossing here telling us another swing point around here. Then another crossing here telling us the swing point around here. And another one here. Swing points. So basically, if you are able to identify where you have the swing high and swing low, you can easily tell price is going to move fast or it's going to move in a ranging or slow manner to retrace for the next fast and impulsive move. Okay, so that's basically what the strategy is all about. When you have the alignment of signals on all windows, you can place your trade. Don't forget, you can generate signal on the main chart when the red and the blue line cross down on the other lines. You have your sell signal. When it crosses up, you have your buy signal. Also on indicator window 1, you can generate signal if the red line crosses above the black line, you have your buy. If it crosses below the black line at 80 level, you have your sell. But if it crosses above, like we have around the 20 level or below the 20 level, you have your buy. Also on indicator window 3, when the green line stays below 26, you can still action and wait for it to come above 26 for you to either buy or sell. So if the green line drops below 26, you still action, price may range. If it pops above 26, volatility has been restored and you may trade in line with the direction of this current signal. And also on indicator window 3, when the green line goes above the black line, you have your buy. But when both crosses down on the 0 level, like you have around here, you have your sell. And they cross above, like you have around here, the 0 level, you have your buy. And for your swing point, come to indicator window 4. From swing to swing, when the red line crosses above all other lines, you have your swing low, and it crosses down, you have your swing high. So with this, you can align all signals, know when you have volatility, when you stay action, know where you have the swing high and the swing low. You can have all these arrangements and use it on 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. You can use this strategy for other volatility in the indices. Okay, you can use it for Forex, you can use it to trade gold. So that's basically what the strategy is all about. It's a very good strategy. Now I want you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Click the subscription button so that you get to see our other videos. Also click the like button, like our videos, keep the likes coming, keep on clicking on the like button. Also ask question, state your question below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Alright, also click on the bell button below the video for notification. Don't forget you can visit our website www.binfxtrader.com or fxfables.com to see strategies we have published in the past, or to see the guide we have written in the past on how you can trade Forex or Volatility Index. Now till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.